In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam content file locked. This error usually means Steam is trying to update a game but can't access one or more files because they're in use, corrupted, or stuck in a temporary state. We'll walk through a few reliable fixes, starting with the simplest and moving to slightly more advanced, so you can get back to playing without reinstalling anything. First, open Steam and head to the top left menu. Go to Steam, then Settings, and choose Downloads. Click Clear Download Cache. This removes temporary files that commonly cause update conflicts. Steam will restart automatically, so be ready to log back in. After signing in, try updating the game again. While you're in the download settings, it also helps to set your download region to the nearest location to you. Picking a nearby server improves stability and reduces chances of timeouts that can trigger the lock. If the issue persists, go to your library and right-click the affected game. Select Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan your local files and repair or re-download anything missing or corrupted. This is especially useful if the update was interrupted or your system crashed recently. Let the process complete. It may take several minutes depending on the size of the game. If you're still seeing the error, give your system a full restart to release any file locks. Before you reboot, close Steam and any open games to ensure everything shuts down cleanly. After your PC restarts, relaunch Steam as an administrator. You can do this by right-clicking the Steam shortcut and choosing Run as Administrator. This grants Steam the permissions it needs to modify protected folders during updates. If you prefer to check for stuck processes before restarting, open Task Manager with Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Look for Steam-related tasks, such as the Steam client or any game updaters, and end those tasks. This clears lingering background processes that might be holding files open. Then reopen Steam and try the update one more time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.